In these clips, we're going to talk about the proper way to remove and replace an engine valve cover that is cracked, excessively worn, rusted out, or otherwise defective. In this clip, we're going to talk about prepping your engine's replacement valve cover for reinstallation. We have a used one here. One of the things I'm going to do is inspect along the track where my replacement gasket goes. All locations, make sure there's no debris or casting flaws. It is possible for there to be an imperfection which will damage your gasket and cause you a leak. On this used one, we're going to have to do some cleaning. We're going to want to get some of this carbon out of there. As far as the top of it goes, it doesn't really matter what this looks like. Even if you have a new valve cover, it is going to be made when the vehicle was made, lubricated, put in a bag, put in a box, and put on a shelf. You're going to want to remove that packing oil from your gasket sealing surface before you install it. I'm a huge fan of clean. Personally, me clean just works better. You're going to want to take your spray for your new one and spray along the gasket track. As you can see right around here, this is our gasket track, around there and around there.
Go ahead. Talk about it.
Okay, as you can see, I'm spraying along my gasket track here. It may be necessary to use a small flat blade screwdriver or a pick if you have some foreign debris or some old chunks of gasket stuck in there. This one doesn't. If you get a used one, it's a good idea to inspect it and make sure it's clean. Depending upon where you get it from, they may have had it sitting out in the backyard. It may have sand or other kind of foreign material in it. Okay, once you have it sprayed down, you may have to let your solvent sit on it for a little while to do its work. This one is not too bad. We're not going to do that. Just go ahead and take and wipe down your mating surface. These will not be a necessary step as far as on the new one. You are going to want to inspect it for casting flaws. All right, there you go.